Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to tag someone on Strava. So if you also want to tag someone on Strava, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Strava application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to tag someone on Strava, what you have to do is go to activity of any athlete, or you can also go to your own activity. Under your activity, you'll be able to see three icons: like, comment, and share. All you have to do is tap on the comment icon. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is type in @. Now you can see over here your friends or the people you follow will be appeared. All you have to do is tap on the person that you want to tag. Now tap on the right icon. Now you have tagged that person. So that is how you tag someone on Strava. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.